Hey, Doug here. Here's your sound clip. So that one drum that you were interested in that had the white flap over, it sold like right after we talked on the phone. I'm sorry about that. They go pretty fast. So here's the first drum. It's beautiful Djembes, nice beautiful carvings. Has a rubber bottom, goat skin. Does have a handle. Nice slaps. Play a little bit. This monster here has the flap over here. Came out amazing. Nice Ivory Coast goat skin. There's no room for a handle here, so I put a handle right here. Has a rubber bottom. Killer bass. Big bass. It's crazy how two drums has totally two different voices.